Look at that. Look at that cheese pool. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mmm. I need to try one of these. This is what we'll be making today in today's video. Some homemade mozzarella cheese sticks. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, we are going to make some delicious mozzarella stick cooking with TK style, okay? My style, the way that I would make mozzarella sticks. You ain't had no mozzarella sticks until you had them cooking with TK's way, okay? So, let's go ahead, let's get into this video, and we are going to start out with the ingredients that we need to make mozzarella sticks. Some of you call it cooking with TK cheese sticks. Okay, everyone, you're gonna need some Japanese style panko breadcrumbs because you want that crunch. Okay, and yes, I'm gonna add also some garlic and herb breadcrumbs. Okay, by Progresso. And no, they ain't pay me to advertise that. I'm not advertising. I'm just telling you what I use. Okay, we are going to use some black pepper for seasoning. We are going to use some Tony Chaché's Creole seasoning to add some flavor. And yes, we're going to add some onion powder. Now, if you want to omit this part, you can. And just put you some garlic and herbs, whatever flavor suits your boat, okay? And that's what I have already added to my breadcrumbs. So we can go ahead and move all of that out of the way. Okay, because I have already added the seasoning to my breadcrumb and stirred it up. Okay. You're going to need 3 eggs. And to the 3 eggs, you are going to add about 2 tablespoons of water. Okay. So, I got those 2 tablespoons of water. And you're going to take your fork. And you're going to mix these 2 tablespoons of water with your 3 eggs, okay? Mix it good, okay? We gotta blend it up really, really well. We are going to make some delicious cheese sticks. You ain't never had no mozzarella sticks or cheese sticks until you done had them. Cooking with TK style, okay? And then you're gonna need some all-purpose flour or some self-rising flour. So either type of flour you can use, okay? You're gonna need a knife to cut your cheese sticks with. We have a block, 1 pound block of mozzarella cheese sticks, great value, low moisture whole milk cheese sticks. Mozzarella cheese that we're gonna use to make our cheese sticks with, okay? Now, you can get whatever type of mozzarella cheese you would like that you know that would be good. Or you can get cheese sticks that's already pre-made, okay? Cheese to make our cheese sticks, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to get your cheese and you are going to cut it about a 1/2 inch thick, okay? Okay? So this is the size that we are going to cut first for each block, about a 1/2 inch thick or inch thick. Okay, so go ahead and cut your cheese sticks like that, like so. Okay, make sure your knife is good enough to cut it, so you just go down with 1 cut. Okay, okay, then you're going to lay it to the side like so, and you're going to cut it down the middle again, okay? Because you want to get a good size on your cheese sticks, okay? So this will be about a good size for your cheese sticks right here that you see. Your first step is to take your cheese stick. You are going to dip it into your flour. Okay? Okay? Roll it in the flour. Okay? Then you're going to take your cheese stick and you're going to dip it in your egg. Roll it in your egg. Okay? Make sure you have one wet hand, one dry hand. I'm trying to record this and I can't stand in front of the camera so y'all won't be able to see. Okay? Shake the excess egg off. Put it into your breadcrumbs and cover it with your breadcrumbs. Okay. After rolling it one time in the breadcrumbs, you're going to roll it back in the eggs again. Okay. Roll it back in those eggs. Shake that excess egg off. Go back to those breadcrumbs. Roll it into the breadcrumbs again, okay? 2 times, okay? And make sure that you coat it really, really well in the breadcrumbs. Because we want a good crunch, good solid crunch, okay? Okay. Now let's go to another one. We're going to do one more. Okay. Go to your flour. Roll your cheese, your mozzarella cheese, into the flour. Shake the excess off. Go to the egg. Change from your dry hand to your wet hand. Roll the cheese stick in the egg. Okay, lift it up with your wet hand. Shake the excess egg off. Go to the breadcrumbs. With your dry hand, put your breadcrumbs on your cheese stick, okay? Okay, go back to your egg wash. Get your cheese stick all egged up, dipped up. To go back into your breadcrumbs again, okay? Shake the excess egg off. It's hard to work with 2 hands like this when you don't want it, your elbow to be in the video, okay? Cover it really, really good with them breadcrumbs, okay? We're going to do one more, and then I'm going to do them all, and then we are going to okay, after you are done with your mozzarella sticks, you are going to place them in a pan, okay? Place them in a pan or a dish, a non-sticking dish. And we are going to place them in the fridge for 6 to 24 hours. It just depends on the time that you have for them to freeze, but at least up to 6 hours in the freezer, okay? Shaking the excess off. Okay, now let's place these in the freezer. Okay, everyone. So our cheese sticks have cooled in the freezer. They're frozen for more than 6 hours. Like I stated before, you freeze them for 6 to 24 hours. Okay, mine had been in here for about 7 or 8 hours, and I have my oil heating up. Okay, you guys. And I have it heating up to 400 degrees. My oil should be ready by now because I know I've been heating it up longer than 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and assemble them in the basket. 2 to 3 minutes to cook, 4 minutes at the most, okay? So let's go. Okay, you guys, look at this batch of mozzarella sticks. Don't they look delicious? Yes, they are going to be very tasty. I can't wait to dip these in this marinara sauce and get to grubbing, okay? And here it is, you guys, some delicious homemade mozzarella cheese sticks cooking with TK style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make you some delicious mozzarella cheese sticks. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. And like I'm going to say again, share this video out with each and everyone that you know. And come back to my channel for another great video. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. Love you guys. Have a great day. Peace.